If you're a My NRMA member, you get access to all our NRMA electric chargers around the country. And you'll get a 10% discount on every charge. First, scan the QR code on our charger to download or update the My NRMA app. And log in using your membership or mobile number. You may receive a prompt to sign in using your mobile number to authenticate your information. Tap I agree to the terms and conditions and set up your charging account. Then head to the Cars and Driving tab at the bottom and select Charge Now. Then you'll receive an SMS to advise a payment method is required to begin charging. Head back to the app and tap on the hamburger menu in the top right corner of your screen. Select Account and then Payment Methods. Tap Add Payment Method. You can add multiple cards and choose which one you'd like as your default. Simply follow the prompts to add your card. Once the card has been added, you'll receive an SMS to confirm you're ready to go. Tap the hamburger menu again and select Find a Charge Point to locate your closest charger. Connect the EV charging cable to your vehicle. Select your mode of charging and swipe right on your phone to start. Now that you've set up EV charging in the My NRMA app, the next time you need to use an NRMA electric charger, you can access it from the home screen.